Hey kids, Mr. Glenn here. We are on to our third problem here. And of course, we have Dave to help us. And what we're going to do is just have a look around and see what we've got. I've got my agent over here stood on another gold block waiting to get its winnings. But you'll notice that there are some errors in our light blue concrete lines. You'll also notice that instead of the lapis lazuli that we had in the corners before, we've now got iron blocks. Now we are in creative mode. I do need to remind you of that. And so what I've got is I've got some code that I've used before. So this is no real secret for this section. So I'm going to go to my code section here. And so I've got a very simple while not detecting block forward, I've got an agent that can move forward by 1. So I'm going to go start this and just go off on a very, very simple step. We're going to go through a few stages like we did before. I'm going to go to my code. Here we go. And so it is right up to that corner onto the iron block. So just like we did before, we've got an agent if statement. If it detects and inspects a block that is down, then agent turned left to move forward by 1. Okay, because then once it's actually on the block and there's nothing in front of it, we're setting it off. This is arbitrary, really, don't really need that, but we can go and get it a kickstart. Again, I've got it moving from my points of 57, 64, 87. You can see that by my paper doll. So I'm going to go into here, hit 3, and we're going to go to the iron block. And at the end, we can go and use the if inspect block below for gold. And we've done that before. So if it detects something below it, we can go and agent destroy down and then agent collect all. Let's go and search for it. Agent collect all. Go and get that done. All right. So that should be, it's going to get a gold block in there so that it makes more sense. So if we go and hit this, we know that this is going to work because we've done this before. Now, what we're going to do next is you'll notice that we have got light blue concrete here, and there are pieces that are missing. Your task now is actually to collect the gold, but also while it detects and not detects something below its feet, you have got to go and place light blue concrete to repair our level 3. So your code is if not detect block down, you've got to go and replace it with light blue concrete, which means that at some point inside the agent's inventory, you will need to make sure that the agent has certain blocks in here to be able to go and repair our area, as well as collecting this, as well as detecting the block in front and down. All right. As always, good luck.